Now we're in autumn, there's only one thing for it, and that's stews and casseroles. And there's nothing more exciting than doing a game stew. Today we're going to do a rabbit stew, it's one of my favourites. What we've done already is we've got 2 rabbits that have already been prepped by the butcher. He's already cut them into quarters and got them prepared. We've lightly floured them and browned them in a frying pan, as you can see here. Next, we're going to fry off and saute some onion, leek, celery with some beautiful thyme, garlic. We're then going to deglaze the pan with some red wine, add some stock, get the rabbit back in, and then we're going to slow cook it in the bottom for 4 to 6 hours until it's really tender, until it comes off the bone. So let's start with that. Let's get on with the vegetables and let's get cooking. Now, since I've added the red wine and deglazed the bottom of the pan, I've also added some prunes that I've marinated in a little bit of brown sugar and some brandy. That just helps the prunes to plump up. We've got that in there. We've got the rabbit in with the stock. What we're going to do is we're going to pop a lid on, get it in the bottom oven, and we're going to let it slow cook for 4 to 6 hours at 100 degrees until the rabbit's really nice and tender, until it's falling off the bone. If it takes a little bit longer, that's absolutely fine, and it might be ready a little bit earlier. So we go off the pull test, give it a pull off the bone, and that's when you know that the rabbit's really nice. But yeah, lovely rabbit stew. So let's get to it.